Hi guys, Dad Gardener here, Jace Bowen. Welcome to another episode, and today we're going to do a revamped episode on rosemary hedging. As you can see, episode 8 I've done a rosemary video, and just want this one to go a bit longer, and I wanted to talk about what I'm actually doing with the rosemary hedge. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to start off with any hedge you do. You always do the sides first. Just do it lightly. Perfect day for hedging. Overcast. Whenever it's overcast is a great day to do hedging, because then a hedge doesn't get burnt by the sun. And whenever it's overcast, I'd advise to do hedging. This hedge here, I just do it by hand. I don't do it with the machine, because it cuts into it a little bit too much. These dead bits of the hedge here should be probably taken out with the secondaires. I'll do that at a later date. Might start from here. So the top gets done very lightly. This hedge here, it's a little bit thin at the back here, opposed to being thick down there. So that's why I don't really need to do a great deal here. Whenever I'm doing a hedge, I always do half, and then I'll go over the other side and do the other half of the top. Makes it easier. I'll just jump around. Quite thick on this side, this hedge. There's the top done there. Alright. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here the density of the hedge. Okay, so you can see here it's nice and thick. As we move along the hedge, inside it's quite thin in spots. So that's why you only do it lightly. So a lot of those young growth down there will thicken up. So there's an overhead view. Okay, so we've done our hedge now. Me and Buddy will clean that up in a moment with our rake. And what I want to talk about just for a moment, just some cuttings here from your hedge, once they're left over. Get a styro full of sand and just take the edge off like that. Dip them into some powder or some rooting mixture and put them in and give them a good water every day. Make sure you do it during summer because obviously they'll dry up very quickly. And yeah, thanks for watching this episode, and please subscribe to my videos and give it a like or a comment, and keep watching. Thank you. We'll see you next time.